how can you sign papers with a OneDrive on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you are new here, subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so whenever you are inside of the OneDrive and you might already have like an existing file you want to sign, or you might want to scan something like a physical paper through the camera and sign that electronically. In either case, you can locate the file in here somewhere to be part of your folders. You can tap on it to get inside, and you want to look for the button which says annotate. Because you can see we have the annotation button right there, and you can essentially just click on that, and it's going to allow you to access the different tools like the pens and all of that. So you can literally just set it up as such, right? And you can click on the screen, make sure that you have the regular pen selected in the proper color and thickness, and you'll be able to sign it as such. And that is going to be the way to do it. Of course, then it's going to be part of that file, and yeah, you can save it with the added signature. As I said, if you have like a physical paper in front of you, which you want to scan and assign, you can also use it through the OneDrive. When you click on the plus button, you have the capture button. And as long as you have the camera allowed, you can just, click on the document, because you can also just capture like a business card or a photo or video, but click on a document, capture the document, and it's going to be uploaded to your drive in here. And then using the very same method of annotation, you can assign the papers, and you will have like a finished document which you can send over email or do whatever else you need with it. But that would be all from me. I really hope I could help. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.